Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, good morning everyone. How are you today?
Morning too, I am fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah, fine. Thank you too. Okay. Today learn in English presentation in the class. Say together basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Everyone. Presentation today in the class. The topic finding word meaning using context clues. Member group Ibnu, Kila, Ika, Usuman Ningtyas, Mawadah. Okay, would you please? Ya, I'm sorry, ma'am, tidak bisa ikut Zoom, ya, karena ma'am sedang di luar, baterai HP ma'am lupa dicas, ya. Jadi ini baterainya saya tinggal 19%. Ya, jadi ma'am mohon maaf, kalian presentasi aja dimulai. Ini baterai mem tinggal 19 untuk nelpon yang lain. Jadi mohon maaf mem tidak bisa ikut Zoom meeting, tapi kalian tetap presentasi. Sudah mem buka. Ya, itu saja yang mem sampaikan. Nanti untuk absensi leader kelas di screenshot saja, ya. Laporkan ke ke grup absensinya, ya, kirim ke grup. Itu saja.
Yes,
Mohon maaf, mem belum bisa ikut Zoom dikarenakan mem semalam lupa ngecas handphone, ya. Oke, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, mem mohon live dulu ya.
Baik, ma'am.
Oke, ma'am.
Langsung.
Bentar, jangan ada yang matiin kamera. Gua screenshot dulu.
Mulai ya.
Oke, mulai.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Good morning all my friends. The Honorable Miss Richard Rahimah SPDI and all my friends who I am proud of. First all, let us praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because with His grace we can join in this English course meeting. In this presentation, we will discuss. Let's start this meeting by reading Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. For the next agenda is the presentation season, which will be ready by Kaila Sahifah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next slide.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Finding word meaning using context clue. The definition context clue. Context clue is a form or information such as a definition, synonym, antonym, or example that appears near a word of first and offers direct or indirect suggestion about its meaning. Context clues are more commonly found in non-fiction text than in fiction, although they are sometimes found in children's literature. often with the goal of building readers' vocabulary. Words can have multiple meanings, so being able to infer the correct definition from context is a valuable reading comprehension skill. Technique for Gregson. Texts are often full of redundancy and consequently, students can use the relation between different items within a text to get the meaning. Our prior knowledge of the word may also contribute to understand what an expression means. A. Synonym and definition. Example 1. Kingfishers are a group of small to medium-sized brightly colored birds. 2. When he met insolent remarks towards his teacher, they sent him to the principal for being disrespectful. B. Antonym and contrast. Example 1. He loved her so much for being so keen to him. By contrast, he abhorred her mother. C. Cause and effect. Example 1. He was disrespectful towards older members. That's why he was sent off and penalized. D. Parts of speech. Parts of speech means whether the word is a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, functioning as a subject, a predicate, or a complement. Example 1. Trojan is an example of a computer virus. E word from the morphological properties of the word. When you are asked to determine the meaning of a long word that you do not know in the reading section, it is sometimes possible to determine the meaning of the word by studying the word parts. It is important to have knowledge about the base or the root of the words, the morphemes, and their relative, such as F6. Example 1. This meaning not, this meaning without. Next slide. Part contra meaning against, example contrast. Part dict meaning side, example dictation. Part mal meaning bad, example malcontent. Part domin meaning master, example dominant. Part miss meaning error, example mistake. Part jude meaning judge, example judgment. Part sub meaning under, example subway. Part mort meaning death, example mortal. Part D meaning 10, example decade. Part speak meaning see, example spectator. Part multi meaning many, example multiple. Part third meaning earth, example territory. Part soul meaning one, example solo. Part fair meaning throne, example deferred. Part three meaning tree, example triple. Part fifth meaning life, example revive. C. General knowledge. Example 1. The French Constitution established as a system of government where there is a strict separation of church and state. Next. Exercise 1. Instruction. In the paragraph below, one word has been replaced with a non-word. Use the context to guess what the underlined non-word means. A. All tourists visiting Thailand should first get a SIF. They will not be allowed to enter at all without one. Travelers without a SIF will be seen can be given on the spot where they came from. A SIF can be given on the spot if they are by plane or by car. However, they might have to wait a long time for one. This can be avoided by getting a SIF before they leave their countries. What is a SIF? Answer: visa. B. Various kinds of worms are available in Singapore. Some are for one trip only, some are for a day, and some for 3 days. The 3-day worm is useful for tourists who want to visit different parts of the city. It allows them unlimited travel for 3 days on the local buses and other underground trains. Worms and timetables for buses are available at all tourist information centers. What is a what is worm? Answer: ticket. Next. C. In Hanoi, it is wish to get yourself a wolf as soon as possible. It is very easy to get lost if you leave the main streets. You can get free whoops at a tourist information center, but they are not complete. Better whoop can be found in the bookstores. These have more details and they provide names of all the streets. What is whoop? Answer: maps. D. As the harmful effect of roping on health have become widely known. Many cities and some countries have passed laws the limit where it is allowed. In many places, roping is no longer permitted in the restaurant and bars. Owners of restaurants and bars were against prohibition laws because they believed their business would suffer, but that lasted only for the first few months. After that, business returned to normal. The laws have also had another positive effect. Apart from making the air cleaner for everyone, more people have given up roping altogether. What does warping mean? Answer: plastic warp. E. There is a misconception that a person who obtains a PhD must be Swedish. This can be all true. Swedish qualities like brilliance and quick thinking are irrelevant in PhD level studies. Let there be no doubt. Brilliance and quick thinking are valuable in other pursuits, but they are neither sufficient nor necessary in doing PhD research. Certainly, being Swedish helps, but it will not get the job done. What does Swedish mean? Answer: philosophy graduate.
F. In many countries, there are electronic signs along roads that zoop drivers about dangers or problems ahead. This may be short-term danger, such as an accident or bad weather, or longer-term problems, such as road work. Studies have shown, however, that drivers do not always notice these signs. To be sure that drivers are zooped about the condition of the road, the Highway Management Service in Scotland has developed a new electronic system that sends messages directly to special electronic system built into cars. Do these systems work better to zoop drivers than roadside sign? It is too soon to tell. The results on the first studies will be published next year. What does zoop mean? Answer: Violet. G. At the beginning of World War II, when the Germans moved into northern France, they searched to the towns and countryside for escaping French soldiers who were sent to prisoner of war camps in Germany. Next, they tried to zap all the guns or other arms they could find. Too many people hid there on farms or underground. The Germans also took all the horses from farms and towns because they were needed in the army. This loss really hurt the French, since the lack of gasoline made horses necessary to work the farms and for transport. Not long after this, the Germans zapped radios as well, so that people could not listen to foreign news reports. What does zap mean? Answer: Mac. Next. H. During my stay in the city, I often used to sit on a stone wall by the riverbank in the early evening, hoping for a cool breeze, though there never was one. On one side was the white city. On the other side were their African village. And all day long there were large drills that went back and forth, bringing people, bicycles, cars, and trucks to and from the city. At this time of day, city workers were eager to get back to their own world on the far side of the river. Brightly dressed and joking, the Africans pushed forward when the drill arrived. Many were carrying loads in their heads or bicycles on their shoulders. Some were so anxious not to miss the chance to get home that they leapt down the steps and jumped into the drill as it pulled out. What does drill mean? Answer: trailer car. E. The foreign news reporters had been warned not to dress in a way that marked them obviously as foreigners. They were also told not to walk down the middle of the street, where they could be seen for enemies on the roofs. They should always stay close to the buildings, ready to run into a doorway if they heard or saw anything suspicious. They should always wear a bulletproof vest. They all did as they had been told, but still did not feel safe. It was impossible not to think of the colleagues who had been wounded and killed in these streets. They walked quickly, looking up at the rooftops. There was no telling when and where a sharpshooter might decide it was time for gym practice, and they rarely missed their gym. What does gym mean? Answer, intelligence police. Next. Exercise 2. Instruction. Read each text excerpt. Use context clues to help you complete the statement. A botanical garden is an area of flora in which plants are grown chiefly for scientific, educational, or aesthetic purposes. They usually surround an institution such as a university or museum. 1. Botany is the study of plants. 2. A synonym for plants is tree. 3. A word that means pleasing to the senses is aesthetic. 4. A university may have botanical gardens for the purpose is scientific education as aesthetic. 5. True or false, all botanical gardens are open to the public. True. B. Beech is the name of a family of trees that grows in the temperate regions of North America and Europe. It has peppery leaves and slender twigs. Its fruit, beech nuts, are edible. Its wood is used for making furniture and for fuel. 1. Beech nuts are the family of types of the beech tree. 2. A synonym for areas is areas. 3. The temperate regions describe a seasonal climate. 4. A word that means able to be eaten is beech nuts. 5. True or false, beech trees have pepper leaves. False. Next. C. The era covering the presidency of James Polk was known as the Fabulous 40s. During this time, the American flag was raised over much of the Western Territory. Texas became a member of the Union. Gold was discovered in California. Covered wagons rolled over the Oregon Trail, and Americans sang Stephen Foster's "Oh Susanna." 1. The Union refers to the country. 2. A word meaning period of time is during is this time the American flag was raised over much of the Western Territory. 3. Is O Susanna a story, a song, or a campaign slogan? O Susanna, a song creation Stephen Foster's. 4. What state entered the Union during Polk's presidency? American of the Western Territory. 5. True or false, Polk was president during the 1940s? True. Next. Exercise 3. Instruction. Find the meaning of the underlined word in each set of 3 sentences below. A. Never tamper with electrical fittings without first switching off the main power supply. It is illegal to add, take away, or otherwise tamper with the content of these videos. Several research assistants were accused of tampering with the result of the experiments. What does tamper mean? Answer: disassemble. B. Man the train pulled out and the crowd had turned. He called. See a small forlorn figure sitting on a suitcase. Drennan held on to a forlorn hope that somehow at the end of the war they would all be together again. Two forlorn trees stood out black and naked against the snow-covered fields. What does forlorn mean? Answer: lose. Next. C. The financial woes of Fiat and other big Italian companies could lead to some important change in the Italian economy. Take a vacation in the South Pacific and leave behind all your winter worries and woes. It did not take long for him to discover the source of all his friends was, but there was little he could do to help. What does woes mean? Answer: suffer. D. Recent surveys show that many parents are very worried about the possibility of their child being abducted. In 1976, a school bus driver and 26 children were abducted at gunpoint in California. The young woman admitted in tears that she had made up the story of how she was abducted and held by the man for 36 hours. What does abducted mean? Answer: taken. E. Dark clouds apart, and 10 minutes later, everyone at the football match was completely drenched. When he pulled her out of the swimming pool, her dress was drenched and hung close to her body. Seymour screamed and sat up suddenly in bed, drenched in a cold sweat. What does drenched mean? Answer: wet. Next. F. The stranger never said a word, but thrust a folded piece of paper into Pilar's hand. He thrust his hands into his pockets and walked slowly away. As she straightened up, she felt a sudden pain like a knife being thrust into her lower back. What does thrust mean? Answer: give. G. The president's spokesman said that it was too early to comment on the outcome of the meeting. On an unfortunate outcome of the elections was that both parties were weaker than before. The outcome of hospital-based treatment was clearly better than home-based treatment. What does outcome mean? Answer: effect.
Exercise 4. TOEFL exercise. In reading comprehension, you may be asked to determine the meaning of a difficult word, a word that you are not expected to know. In this case, the passage will probably give you a clear indication of what the word means. The following card outlines the key information that you should remember about vocabulary question containing difficult word. How to identify the question? What is the meaning of X in line Y? The word X in line Y is close in meaning to. Where to find the answer? Information to help you understand the meaning of known word can often be found in the context surrounding the known word. How to answer the question? Number 1, find the word in the passage. Number 2, read the sentence that contains the word carefully. Number 3, look at the context clues to help you understand the meaning. Number 4, choose the best answer that the context indicates. Passage 1. The oxidation of exhaust gas is one of the primary sources of the word pollution. The brown haze that opposed over some of the world's largest cities is probably called photochemical smoke. It results from chemical reactions that take place in the air using the energy of sunlight. The production of smoke begins with gases are created in the cylinders of vehicle engineers. It is rare that oxygen and nitrogen is combined as the fuel burns to from nitric oxide or NO. A colorless gas, the nitric oxide is forced out into the air through the vehicle type along with other gas. When the gas reaches the air, it comes into contact with available oxygen from the atmosphere and combines with the oxygen to product nitrogen dioxide or NO2, which is a gas with a brownish hue. This nitrogen dioxide plays a role in the formation of acid rain in weather of more humid climate and tends to decompose back to nitric oxide. Is it released on the brownish colored nitrogen dioxide is partly responsible for the brown color in smoky air. The ozone is the toxic substance that causes irritation to eyes. Number 1, the word post in paragraph 1 is close in meaning to C, blowing. Number 2, the paras to place in paragraph is close in meaning to D, core. Number 3, the word forced in paragraph 1 could best be replaced by C, passed. Number 4, the word hue in paragraph 2 is close in meaning to a color. Number 5, the paras plays a role in paragraph 2 is close in meaning to B, serves a function in. Passage 2. The black widow is the most dangerous spider living in the United States. It is most common in the southern part of the country, but it can be found throughout the country. The black widow got its name because the female has been known to kill the female after mating and as a result becomes a widow. The black widow is rather distinctive In appearance, it has a shine globally body, the size and shape of a PA, and is marked on in underbelly with a red or yellow spot. The female is considerably more ample than the male, roughly 4 times larger on the average. If a human is bitten by a black widow, the spider's fiber is illness and pain. Black widow bites have occasionally result in death, but is certainly to the norm for black widow bites to be mortal. Number 6, in line 4, the word widow means A, a type of poison. Number 7, which of the following is the close in meaning to the word globally in line 5? B, human skin. Number 8, the word ample in line 7 indicates that the spider is large in size. Number 9, which of the following has the same meaning as the word mortal in line 10? C, poisonous. I said 3. Ringleitner himself was born into a wealthy, educated, and cultured family. For the bulk of his career, he worked as reporter for newspapers in South Bend, Boston, St. Louis, and Chicago. However, it is for his short stories of lower middle class Americans that Ringleitner is perhaps best known. In the test stories, Leitner vividly creates the language and ambience of this lower class, often using the misspelled words, grammatical errors, and incorrect diction that typify the language of the lower middle class. Number 10, the word privately in the passage is close in meaning to C in a correct way. The word misspelled in the passage is closer in meaning to C, highly improper. Number 11.
Ya, next slide. Next
Number
slide.
11. Number 11.
Halo? Next slide. Passage 4, next slide.
Oh yes, ma'am. Reading next to Ika Kusuma Ningtyas.
Passage 4. Juan Rodrigues Cabrillo was a Portuguese-born explorer who is credited with the exploration of the coast of what is today the state of California. City military record from the period show that early in his career he served with the Spanish army from 1520 to 1524. In Spain's cause from subjugation of the people in what are today Cuba, Mexico, and Guatemala. Little is known of his activities over the next decades, but apparently he succeeded in rising up through the ranks of the military. In 1541, he was ordered by Antonio de Mendoza, the Spanish ruler of Mexico, to explore the western coast of North America. Cabrillo set out in June 1542 in command of the ship the San Salvador and the Victoria. The fleet then set Vigo by 1 September 28, 1542, and claimed the terrain for Spain. The peninsula where he landed is today named Cabrillo Point in his honor. The art has been established as is a national monument and park, and local residents each year hold a celebration and reenactment of Cabrillo's Landing. Next. From San Diego, Cabrillo continued northward for further exploration of the spectacular California coastline. By November 1542, the Han region is far northeast San Francisco Bay. Although he missed the entrance of the bay due to a hoof storm soon after with the approach of winter, he veered south and headed back to Mexico. He met is far south as is the channel
Okay,
in
next
front
slide.
of the coast of
Next
what
slide.
is today. Next slide. Number
Next slide. Ini latihan-latihan saja. Nanti dipelajari sendiri ya. 15, 16, 17. Ya. Inline 9 and the word. Ini seperti kayak soal TOEFL. Ya. Oke. The next slide. Next. Oke. Passage 5.
Passage 5.
Yes.
Text.
Would you please?
Passage 5. Checks and balance are an important concept in the formation of the U.S. system of government is presented in the Constitution of the United States. Under this conception of government, each branch of government has built-in checks and limitations placed on it by one or more different branches of government in order to ensure that any one branch is not able to use to total dominance over the government. Under the Constitution, the United States has a three-party government, with power divided equally among the branches: the presidency, the legislature, and the judiciary. Each branch is given some authority over the other two branches to balance the power among the three with a simple majority. But the president can veto such a law. Congress can counteract the veto with a two-thirds majority. However, even if Congress passes a law with a simple majority of over this a presidential veto, the Supreme Court can still declare the law unconstitutional if it finds that the law is contradictory to the provisions present in the Constitution.
Okay, the next slide. Next slide.
Next.
Next slide. Ini latihan-latihannya, exercise-nya ini adalah dipelajari sendiri. Next.
Passage 6.
Next slide. Passage 6. Next slide. Oke. Mem akan menjelaskan. Mem lihat dulu di grup. Nanti tolong dicatat masukannya. Inputnya ya. Oke. Ibnu Ramadan Kila Ika Mawada. Definition contact clause. Ya. Oke, contact clause is good job. Definition contact clause. And the finding words meaning using contact clause. Findingnya mana? Definition finding word-nya mana? Anda harus mendefinisikan finding word-nya and definition contact clause. Nah, jadi konteks clue sendiri, finding word juga sendiri. Jadi kamu harus bisa membedakan itu. Ya, definition finding word. Baru definition contact close. Nah, nanti Anda difference-nya. What do you mind difference finding word and contact close? For example, ini mana for example-nya? Tidak ada. Tuh, catat. Masukan dari Mem Rohimah. Jadi, Anda harus tulis definition finding word and definition contact close. Ya, contact close-nya ini sudah ada, tinggal finding word-nya. Terus satu lagi masukan dari Mem, lu harus Mas ya. Mas, sebentar. Ayo, nyemplung di kolam renang, itu adik kamu. Apa? Yes, ya pemanasan dulu. Nanti nggak kram nyemplung di kolam renangnya. Sorry ya. Lanjut. Jadi difference between finding word and then context clues. And then for example finding word and for example context clues. Nah, keduanya itu harus diberikan contoh masing-masing, minimal 3 sentences. Okay, the technique for guessing synonym and antonym. Nah, sinonimnya sudah bagus, ada for example-nya, antonimnya juga sudah bagus, ada for example-nya. And then meaning, ini apa? Tiba-tiba ada meaning, part, example, part. Ini maksudnya apa? Maksudnya apa? Maksudnya apa? Saya tanya, part, meaning, example, part, meaning, example. Ini maksudnya konten apa ini?
Itu
Jawab.
itu ada di PDF-nya, Mem.
Nah, Anda meskipun dari PDF-nya seperti itu, Anda harus menyimpulkan, for example, part in of speech. Itu. Jadi ini maksudnya part of speech. Jadi harus Halo? Dengar nggak saya bicara? Ini yang presentasi siapa sih? Coba saya, kalau mem tanya itu kamu jawab. Ibnu, Kaila, Ika, Mawadah, dari 4 orang masa nggak bisa jawab? Saya bertanya. Halo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nah, yes ma'am gitu. Jangan suaranya lembut kayak Putri Solo. Ya, ini perbaiki ya. Jadi konten-konten yang ada di sini, passage yang ada di sini adalah kekurangan Anda di passage 6 ya. Itu masa soalnya hanya dikasih 1. Ya, the word primary in the passage called base replace it by A, B, C. Kok ini sih? Di sini tulisannya apa? E, F, G, H. Salah Anda ketik ini. A, B, C, D. Tolong diperbaiki. Masa elementary, main, introductory, primitive. Ini ya, kok Anda menulis E, F, G. Salah ini. Coba perhatikan. Meskipun di modulnya seperti itu, Anda harus merubahnya. Kemudian juga di number ini nih, passage 4, number 14. Masa E, F, G, H. Salah ini, diperbaiki semua. Terus ini 16. Number 16. The word spectacular in line 14 in the clauses in the meaning to which of the following. Ini apa ini? Salah. Betulin. 17. The word line berapa nih? 17 is clause in meaning to. Ini juga sama. Tolong diperbaiki. Coba dicek ulang. Kalian mengerjakan terburu-buru ini. Ya.
Yes,
Dah,
ma'am.
mungkin itu saja saran dari Mem Rohimah. Ya. Itu saja saran dari Mem.
Thank you,
Maybe
ma'am.
question? Mohon maaf, baterai saya baru dikirimin sama anak saya tadi. Saya lagi ada di Permata Timur. Jadi baru bisa bergabung. Tadi baterainya bener-bener habis. Ini sambil saya cas. Maybe question everyone, silakan ada yang mau ditanyakan. The finding word. Clauses. Paham ya? Ini sering nanti ada soal di IELTS seperti kayak gini. Menghadapi soal-soal TOEFL seperti ini. Dan TOEFL juga seperti ini. Kalian pelajari aja sendiri untuk for exercise-nya. Paham ya? Oke. Okay. Enough. Thank you for your attention. Say together. Hamdalah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.